Okay, let's take a look at the COUNTIF formula. The thing I want to do is literally write the formula and then open parentheses. Now you'll notice here that I get two values inside the parentheses. These are called arguments. The first argument is a range and the second argument is called criteria. Now here's how the COUNTIF formula works. The first thing to note with COUNTIF is range, and this is basically saying specifically we're counting the number of times that the accounting major shows up within the major column. And this is because we know that every single row has only one student and each student has one major. So that's the range, D8 through D12. Think about the range, the space we need to go to count. Then the next thing we need to do is that we need to ask, well, what's the criteria? Well, the criteria is accounting, right? And so what Excel is going to do is, and I'm going to click back up here so that I can highlight. You'll notice when you click into the formula bar, or when you just double click the cell, what Excel will do is it'll highlight and show you what your formula is doing. So we're coming to cells D8 through D12, and that's our range, and we're counting accounting. Okay, we're counting this. Now let me, just real quick, I'm going to show you, let's say that we wanted to count the number of management majors. I'm going to switch this out with management. You notice I got the value 1, and that makes sense because I got one management major. Now, the final thing I'll just note is that this word has to be in quotes because we're looking for text. Anytime you're looking for a text value, and you're counting a text value, you have to put the text in quotes. Excel has to know what the text is, and we tell Excel what the text is by wrapping it in quotes, okay? Remember, Excel is a software program, and it's following every instruction, and our instructions have to be super, super specific, and that's why these formulas are so specific.